Here's the totally gnarly Meatzza Meatzza everything bagel sandwich. Doing the everything bagel, butter and oil when you toast it. You gotta do your spreads first. So we've got cream cheese. I got some avocado, sunny California. They're probably from Mex, which that's all good with me. They're fucking great. Dropping marinated skirt steak and chicken from last night's dinner. Meats on there to qualify for the Meatzza Meatzza. Got some queso. Just drench it. This is not a clean to eat sandwich because this shit's gonna get messy. Got some black beans. Oh yeah. Good. We got some fiber. We got some protein. Like, this is a healthy manwich bagel sandwich. This is my favorite salsa. Taquera. Shit, that is so good. It's chili de árbol based. It's oh wow. Slather it. You can't get enough. Boom. Get ready. We're gonna go serrated knife. That's always a good call when you're trying to get through something without tearing it. Health freak. Oh, shit's dropping. Let's try this. And I'm sorry that I eat like an animal. But I'm a nice animal. I think like an ocelot. I think ocelots are friendly unless they're hunting you.